Hey Discord developers, welcome back to our new video. So today we are going to make a role remove command in Python using Pycord for your Discord bot. If you're interested in accessing the source code for this video, the entire playlist, or any other resources, you can visit my Patreon. There, you'll find high quality code without any errors at a very affordable price. You can also show your support by becoming a patron. Additionally, if you encounter any issues or need help, feel free to join our Discord server, where our team is ready to assist you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so we can keep bringing you more amazing content. And I also make custom Discord bots and custom commands of any type. If you want to make your dream bot, then join my Discord server and contact me.